Welcome to Blue Rock Beach Resort located in Olongapo, a few steps from Baloy Beach. Hello guys, it's Shirley and I'd like to tell you about our recent stay at Blue Rock Beach Resort. Blue Rock Beach Resort features accommodation with an outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, a shared lounge, a fine dining restaurant, and especially the one that literally wants everyone to see is the calm and de-stressing part of nature, the beach. If you are someone who wants to feel the sea breeze blowing on your face or the salt tickling over your nose, a beach vacation is the perfect holiday destination for you. They have a very fancy and summer-looking 24 hours bar and restaurant. The Blue Rock Beach Resort restaurant is well known for its vast international menu, which includes everything from steaks to seafood to delectable desserts. Experience the best of beachfront dining. So, ito kami, tamang kain lang. Halos di na nga kami makakain sa sobrang excited naming masunog, mag-swimming. So, ang kinakain naming dalawa ni Renz ay tapa. Alam ko, isa to sa mga specialty nila and sobrang sarap talaga, promise. So, punta na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng vlog na to, which is ang super gandang beach dito sa Blue Rock Beach Resort. They offer different sizes of cottages you can choose from, depende sa kung ilang tao or ilang pamilya kasama mo. They also offer different kinds of rooms kung may plano kayong mag-overnight. I will post their FB page link in the description box below kung gusto nyo din matry ang masayang experience namin dito sa Blue Rock Beach Resort. Hi Trail! So, tamang wasiwas lang ng buhok si Trail. And tamang moment lang tayo dito ngayon. So habang naguhukay ng sand dyan si Terrell, bigla niyang naisipan na magpabili ng ice cream dahil napagod siyang kakahukay ng nakaraan na hindi na maibabalik pa. Charot!
Ako wala. Hello! Welcome to Blue Rock! With Kuya, Master! Skier! Jet skier! Oh, paghatawa, wag pipiga ha!
So ayun, sumakay kami sa jet ski and literal na first time namin, so syempre hindi kami makikinig kay Daddy. In order to ride this jet ski and experience the thrill of riding a jet ski, the price range is about 1,000 pesos to 1,500 pesos for 20 to 40 minutes. So dahil mabait si Kuya Master na nagpapaarkila ng jet ski, binigyan niya pa kami ng isa pang ride na for sure na mahihilo talaga kami at hindi na kami uulit. Habang nakasakay kami sa jet ski, na-enjoy din namin ang mga magagandang view and nakita namin ang iba't ibang resort pa nakatabi ng Blue Rock Beach Resort. So dahil di pa kami satisfied sa jet ski experience, nag-banana boat naman kami and this time kasama na ang aming baby na si Terrell. The cost of riding this banana boat and experiencing the thrill of riding a banana boat is approximately 150 to 250 pesos per person. This banana boat can accommodate 10 to 12 people. Ito si Kuya, nagbebenta ng malalaking literal na jumbo na seashells at corals na pwede nyong i-display or gawing souvenir sa inyong mga bahay, offices, or kahit saan pa yan. Pag nakita nyo si Kuya, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Blue Rock Beach Resort, pwede kayong bumili sa kanya ng mga pang souvenir or remembrance. At dahil po nagmamaoy na ang aming baby na si Terrell, binilan po siya ng mga laruan ni Daddy. Makakabili din kayo ng mga iba't ibang klase ng bracelets, anklets, toy souvenirs, and marami pang iba dito sa Blue Rock Beach Resort. Marami nagbibenta dito ng mga mababait na mga naglalako ng cotton candies, accessories, and mga isda na pwede nyong iuwi and gawing pet.
Do not open. Do not open. Magkano yung ganyan mo, Kuya? Ha? 100. Pangalan mo? Junior? Asa si Senior? Sama si Manyor. Kuha tayo 100. Dali, bilang natin. Huwag na yan, ito na lang.
So for our lunch, nag-order kami ng grilled chicken and grilled bangus, and speechless na ako dahil sobrang sarap niya. So that's all for our fun experience here in Blue Rock Beach Resort. If you want to visit this beautiful place, lalo na malapit na ang summer, just look and click the link in the description box below para makapag-book na kayo for your staycation sa tag-init. So all I can say is that this resort is really neat, clean, and has a great vibe, and we definitely recommend staying here with your family throughout the summer season. Again, I am Shirley speaking, and see you next time sa aming vlog pagbalik namin dito sa Blue Rock Beach Resort. Thank you, and subscribe to Glockhub Terrell Matos channel. Also like, share, and click the notification bell button for you to be updated on our next video.